This segment will demonstrate how to assemble your new Craftsman 42-inch lawn sweeper. Begin by measuring the drawbar, part K, to find the end with a 2.5-inch spacing between the holes. Then align both drawbar brackets, part B, with the sweeper. Then align the drawbar with a 2.5-inch spacing between the brackets. Then loosely secure the rear with two 5/16 by 2.5-inch hex bolts, part U, and two 5/16-inch nylock nuts, part T. Then slide two large washers, part X, between the drawbar and the brackets. Next, loosely secure it with a 5/16 by 2.5-inch hex bolt, part U, and a 5/16-inch nylock nut, part T. Do not fully tighten it yet. Then insert a 3/8 by 2.25-inch clevis pin, part N, through the drawbar bracket, and secure it with a 3/32 by 1.8-inch hairpin, part O. Now, fully secure the hardware. Then align the right bag arm bracket, part AA, and fully secure it with two 5/16 by 1-inch hex bolts, part CC, and two 5/16-inch nylock nuts, part T. Now align a bag arm, part I, and insert two 3/8 by 2-inch clevis pins, part N. Next, secure them with two 3/32 by 1.8-inch hairpins, part O. Then repeat for the other side. Now insert the end of the front lower hopper tube, part H, into the rear hopper tube, part D, with the center holes facing up. Then secure it with a 1/4-inch by 0.945-inch clevis pin, part P, and a 3/32 by 1.8-inch hairpin, part O. Now repeat for the other lower hopper tube. Then thread a 3/8-inch jam nut, part S, all the way onto a 3/8-16 by 2.5-inch hex bolt, part V. Next, insert the assembly into a front upper hopper tube, part G, and fully secure it using a 3/8-inch nylock jam nut, part R. Repeat for the other front upper hopper tube. Now, insert the end of an upper hopper tube, part G, into a rear hopper tube, part D, with the center holes facing down. Ensure the hex bolts heads face in. Then insert a 1/4-inch by 0.945-inch clevis pin, part P, and secure it with a 3/32 by 1.8-inch hairpin, part O. Repeat for the other upper hopper tube. Then connect the hopper tube frames with two 3/8 by 1/2-inch clevis pins, part Q, and secure them with two 3/32 by 1.8-inch hairpins, part O. Next, unfold the hopper bag and slide in the frame. Now slide the bag frame plate, part E, through the front bag. Then insert a hopper support rod, part C, into the lower support tube. Lightly bend it outwards and insert the top into the upper support tube. Do not overbend the rod. Repeat for the other side. Next, secure the bag frame plate with 2 1/4" by 9.45" clevis pins part P and 2 3/32 by 1.8" hairpins part O. Then, secure the Velcro, starting at the front and working back. Now secure the straps on the front flaps. Next, secure the ties. Now, secure the hopper rope. Attach the hopper by sliding the pivot posts down into the bag arms. The sweeper can accommodate tractor heights ranging from 7 to 13 inches. Refer to the chart and select a height configuration. Align the straight hitch bracket part L and the bent hitch bracket part M as desired, and secure them with 2 5/16/18 by 2 1/4" hex bolts part U and 2 5/16 nylock nuts part T. Then align the spacers as indicated in the chart and insert the hitch pin part Y. Secure it with the 3/32 by 2 5/16" hair cotter pin part W. Make sure to read the manual for other valuable safety, operation, and maintenance instructions.